Turn all the other sausages that you love all originate from this one here. Welcome to Butcher Boy and a new year of 2025. I am Taylor.
Clint, how's it going?
Today we're going to talk about our base sausages. So we usually like to do a lot of playful stuff and do a lot of adventurous sausages, but you can never go wrong with your basics. And that is fundamental here. So we always start off with some of our favorite sausages that we always have in the case and have been a staple here at Butcher Boy for decades and hopefully decades to come.
We're talking about Italian. Can I tell where that came from?
Yeah, go right ahead.
So a gentleman named Dominic Cardinella, his grandson Steve actually worked at our Sparks Market for a long time back in the day. He was, I want to say he was on the opening crew, but back in the 70s when Butcher Boy opened, he taught my dad how to make this sausage. So from what I understand, it's his old family recipe from Italy. We haven't changed it for, I would say, 50 years since Dominic was around. So
Well,
yeah, good classic, good base.
Yeah.
And we make some other stuff out of it too, right?
Yes, very much so. We start with the classic base of the mild Italian, which then a couple more seasonings. We go into our hot Italian. We pull those seasonings out and we add a little bit of into our base Italian, some turmeric, some orange, and a couple spices I'm not going to tell you about. And we come up with our beautiful Greek sausage, which coming up here in the summertime is a beautiful sausage to throw on the grill. It has lots of light flavors, really colorful and citrusy, and people really love it on a hot day.
So our classic Italian, again, base, nothing wrong with the classics. Super simple, right? Salt, pepper, garlic, fennel, oregano. We use ground fennel instead of the fennel seed, just so you don't get those seeds stuck in your teeth, but you get all the flavor there. Yeah, and then modify there.
Yeah, and then one of our original ones that we always keep in the case is our fresh Wisconsin Sheboygan style brat. Great beer brat to basically, you can go multiple ways about cooking this thing. You can just grill it right up, throw it onto a bun, a little hard mustard, maybe a little kraut, you're ready to roll. Or what you can do is you can slow boil it or simmer it into some beer, really pull that flavor, whatever
some onions
beer.
in there, fresh onions.
Yeah, spice it up a little bit, pull that flavor out, and then go ahead and finish it on the grill. That way you get those nice char marks, get that extra flavor from the grill, and tons and tons of different ways you can go about it.
And we turn this into a bunch of different things. So the base is that we call it Sheboygan brat. So that's German-American style brat. Then we do the smoked version. Then we add the jalapeno cheddar. We do garlic artichoke. We do the Swiss.
Yeah.
This one turns into a bunch of different things.
So it's just like our base sausage. Turn all the other sausages that you love all originate from this one here. So when we're doing sausages of these sorts, we start with a single coarse grind, and then from there we add in our seasonings and our liquid. We mix that all together, and then we run that again through the grinder on a coarse plate as well. And that way you get those nice textures, that nice mouthfeel, and it incorporates everything really well. So to show you that, I have some lamb chorizo here.
And a new machine. I don't know if we've talked about this.
No, and our new toy, our stand mixer. It is supposed to simulate, with these paddles, your hands actually moving through the sausage. So instead of me doing it, I have a very fancy machine that does this. So we have our first grind. We'll go ahead and we'll add our liquid in with all of our seasonings. Go ahead and wipe our bowl. Get all those seasonings in there. Don't want to waste anything. Drop our hammer. Turn it on. And it's just as if me or Clint was mixing it by hand. This thing saves us a ton of time. It's way more efficient. We can do larger batches in it. And super easy to clean, which is awesome.
Efficient and consistent.
Efficient and consistent, very much so.
And then the last thing in those, the Italian, I think it's tradition. We've always done these bigger than the brats.
Always.
I don't know why, but these are like 8-inch lengths, so they're like 3 of them just touch over a pound.
Yeah, so if you ever want any of our sausages in bulk that are in the fresh, do not hesitate to ask. We can always cut it right out of the casing if we don't have packages already in the case waiting for you to grab. Takes us just a second. We have all the implements of destruction to do anything that you would like with our meat or our sausages. Don't hesitate to ask. We're here for you.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Yeah, thank you. Have a great day.